The 2025 Rolls-Royce Cullinan is more than an SUV, it is a statement. Weighing over 6,000 pounds, it accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds. Its 6.7-liter V12 produces 563 horsepower. Inside, over 100,000 handcrafted leather perforations showcase Rolls-Royce's attention to detail. With L-shaped LED headlights and a refined V-shaped lower bumper, the iconic Pantheon grille remains the centerpiece, commanding attention. Optional 23-inch wheels provide an even more imposing presence. Inside, the craftsmanship is meticulous. Gray-stained ash wood, duality twill bamboo fabric, and over 100,000 leather perforations demonstrate Rolls-Royce's commitment to perfection. And houses a 6.7-liter twin-turbo V12 engine, delivering 563 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque. Despite its 6,000-pound weight, the Cullinan glides effortlessly, aided by its air suspension. Rear axle steering allows precise maneuvering. Inside, the Cullinan is a sanctuary. Napa leather seats, exquisite wood trims, and ambient lighting create a serene atmosphere. Rear passengers enjoy remarkable legroom and optional Starlight headliner, simulating a night sky with thousands of fiber-optic lights. Technology integrates seamlessly, with high-resolution displays and driver assistance features, alongside an 18-speaker sound system, combining comfort, luxury, and modern convenience. Tell us in the comments, which Cullinan feature would you choose first, the V12 engine, bespoke interior, or Starlight headliner? The 2025 Rolls-Royce Cullinan starts at around $407,750 in the US. More than just a vehicle, it is a statement of refinement. On the road, the Cullinan is effortless. The V12 engine delivers smooth. The air suspension soaks up every imperfection in the road. It handles confidently despite its size. Every drive is serene, refined, and unmistakably luxurious. In conclusion, the 2025 Rolls-Royce Cullinan is the ultimate luxury SUV. From its commanding exterior to the bespoke interior and refined V12 engine, it defines what an ultra-luxury SUV should be. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more luxury car reviews from Autocrazex. Comment below which feature impressed you the most, and we'll bring you more in-depth explorations of the world's most incredible cars.